Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on notifications. Here we have to scroll down and tap on advanced settings, and as you can see on the second position we've got show battery percentage option. So in order to activate that, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see it actually immediately changes, and from now on next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.